Hello everyone, myself Mrs. C.S. Nirali, Assistant Professor, Food Chemistry and Nutrition Department, KKWA College of Food Technology, Saraswati Nagar Campus, Nashik, and the course number FCN 357, course titled Instrumental Techniques in Food Analysis. Today we will see analysis of minor constituent of foods, experiment number 15, under that exercise number 2, determination of phosphorus. Today's our practicals aim is to determine the phosphorus content. Coming to theory part of phosphorus reacts with molybdic acid to form a phosphomolybdate complex. It is then reduced with amino naphthol sulfonic acid to the complex molybdenum blue, which is measured calorimetrically. Reagents: molybdate solution. Dissolve 25 grams of ammonium molybdate in 400 ml of water. Add 500 ml of 10 normal H2SO4 and make up the volume to 1 liter with water. Amino naphthol sulfonic acid solution. Dissolve in water 0.5 grams 1 amino 2 naphthol 4 sulfonic acid 30 grams sodium bisulfate. Make up to 250 ml. Allow to stand overnight and filter. Prepare fresh solution every 2 weeks. Standard phosphate solution. Dissolve 0.4389 grams of potassium dihydrogen phosphate KH2PO4 in water. Add 10 ml of 10 normal KH2SO4 and make up to 1 liter with water. 1 ml is equal to 0.1 mg phosphate and add 1 ml of chloroform as preservative. Coming to procedure, 5 ml of ash solution obtained by dry ashing. Add 5 ml of molybdate reagent and mix. Add 2 ml of amino naphthol sulfonic acid solution, mix and make up the volume up to 50 ml. Prepare similarly blank using water in place of the sample. Allow to stand for 10 minutes and measure the color at 650 nanometers, setting the blank at 100% transmission. Standard Co. Dilute 10 ml standard potassium phosphate solution to 50 ml with water. 1 ml is equal to 0.02 milligrams phosphate. Pipette aliquots of this solution from 5 to 40 ml into 50 ml volumetric flask. Add 5 ml of molybdate reagents and mix. Then add 2 ml of amino naphthol sulfonic acid reagent. Mix and make up to the volume 50 ml and measure the color as in the sample. Plot concentration against absorbance. Calculations: read the phosphorus content from the calibration curve and then you will be getting the result, how much amount of phosphorus is there in the sample. So this is the method to analyze the amount of phosphorus content in food.